Hello, and whether you're new to cooking or just looking for something that feels like home, you're in the right kitchen. Let's begin.
Today we're going to make sweet Nigerian puff puff.
Welcome back to Cooking with YINLA.
So we're going to start by going to wash our hands. After washing my hands, this is the ingredients for the Nigerian puff puff. This is the flour. This is the base of our puff puff. Because without the flour, the puff puff cannot be done. So this is the base.
Everything is already measured out, so you can follow along easily.
And here are the ingredients. I'm going to sieve the flour. After sieving the flour, the next thing is the sugar for a light sweetness. I've got sweet tooth, so you put the sugar to your taste. Then the next one is the dry yeast. This helps the dough to rise and become fluffy. This is the yeast, and the next one again is going to be the ground nutmegs for the classic Nigerian aroma. The warm water brings everything together. It does bring everything together. Then we have the mixing bowl. So we add the flour into the large mixing bowl, add the sugar, the yeast, the nutmeg, and some pinch of salt if needed. We mix the dry ingredients, everything evenly, and combine everything together. Then we use a cloth to cover it for it to rise, to double in size. So this is the batter. Now we just mix a little bit. After mixing, make sure it's all combined properly. Then we heat the oil, let the oil simmer. After heating the oil in a deep pot, medium heat, and you're going to test it to see if it's ready. So now we start dropping in the butter ball in the frying and keep turning them. You could use a scoop to butter, use your scoop for the butter, or you just use a spoon and fry it in batches so that it doesn't overcrowd the pot. Turn the puff puff over so that they will all occasionally be even and well cooked thoroughly. Watch how golden and how fluffy the puff puff are turned into very beautiful golden brown color. Once golden, then you remove it and drain it on a paper towel. Then you pile it in a bowl. See how fluffy and how beautiful they become. I like some syrup in my puff puff, so I did add some syrup in it. And you serve. This is perfect for Nigerian delicacy, or it can be consumed as a snack, or anyone that likes eating Nigerian food. You love this so much. This is perfect for your occasion, parties, small chops as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and